So this is a short video on how I'm gonna show you guys how the transformation of hair is going. So far I've done a series on how I turn the broken hair to the bangs, and today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I wear my bangs normal like this. If you are interested to see how I do that, guys, please keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Of course, today we are going to turn the bangs into straight hair. So the first thing that we're going to do is to use water. Yes, the tap water that you drink, guys. I just put it in the bottle and I am going to spray the wig. So that's one thing that I do. I actually just spray my wig so that it lay flat. Some people actually tend to use mousse, but I don't have that, so I'm showing you guys what exactly I use and the cheapest way in which I do that. Of course, I know that these are bangs and my hair is not plugged towards the front, but that is because I usually just draw babies that I do not have. So anyways, my hair is kind of crusty right now because the way I store my hair is not lovely at all. But anyways, water really helps with laying of the hair. So the first thing that I do, I find my part. This is a 3-part closure that has holes in other parts. So I decided to cut bangs because I was avoiding that, but then I decided to find a line that is not, you know, broken, that doesn't have holes at all. So I'm using a comb to actually sort of style my hair before I can actually glue it down. And I always make sure that every step is moisturized with water. It's actually like fully moisturized with water, saturated with water. I think that's the correct word. Yes, so I want to make sure that my hair is super layable, and the water is really helping me to do that, guys. That is actually the spirit. Like, I normally do not even go in with a straightener. I am a lazy person, so yeah. So the next thing that we're going to do is to go in with this got to be glue blasting freezing spray, and you can get it on your local pharmacies, to be specific, the one that you guys are bashing right now. But anyways, so I like to dry my hair, like to dry the glue first. So I like to just air dry it, not with a fan or anything fancy, but with anything that I can find to blow the wind. And I like to lay it down like that. And as you can see, some sides are not laid, so I like to go back with the spray, more especially towards the sides where I didn't really like glue down the hair. So after that, guys, I like to just actually comb my hair, and also I really like to pull back my hair like I don't know, I don't like my hair like on my face, more especially if it's long. I think I should change. So I am also going back with water. And you guys, you want to make sure that you are not draining the glue, because water can actually remove the glue. Usually I go in with the L'Oreal Max, the L'Oreal number 10 glue. I have used it in this channel. If you want to see that, I'll just link it down below. It's also really good. So lately I was just using the spray to, you know, do everything. Oh my god. So yeah. Oh, of course, another thing that you will need is a comb, of course. Like, I am sure by now you have realized that. So I like to tie my hair at the back. Like, you can totally go out like this, like fully, but I just feel like I'm a little bit plain. I think I'm just extra. So every time I just like sort of comb the hair to make sure that everything is laid, and also in preparation to lay my edges, because your girl loves to lay them edges. But anyways, after, you know, making sure that my hair is down, is sprayed with water, and make sure that the bangs are not coming to my head, like you want to make sure it's saturated with water. So I'm going in with the concealer. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me color 30. It matches the concealer that I use on my face, which is the highlighter. You want to always make sure you go in with a foundation or concealer that matches your face to, you know, disguise the line going on. Now I'm going in with a spoolie, and they got to be glued. Usually I go in with the styling gel, guys. I'm serious. Styling gel by Soft and Free for this step, but I couldn't find it, so I used the freezing spray to do that. And another option that you can use is the L'Oreal Extreme Hold gel. It's really good. So we are using a spoolie, guys. The spoolie, you can just use your old mascara that you have laying somewhere in your room or whatever, or wherever you put your things. You just clean it out and start using it for your brows, for your edges. So I'm just using the freezing spray as well to just lay my edges. I didn't want the intense edges. I just wanted to, you know, just have little hair going on my face. Okay, so I'm just doing that, also using my hands as my guidance, and you know, to make sure that everything is laid. So to top that up, I'm going in with the spray, which is the freezing spray. Before that, guys, I had tied a doek on, but I lost the video, so you may want to like always tie a doek around your hair so that it lays down flat. And to finish that, guys, you want to make sure you blend your makeup with your lace, like your hair, like it should be blending. You must not see the lines going on. And actually that is it. It's a so short video, right? That is it actually. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.